Okay, let's start our class. Wait, I have to share the screen first. By the way, I always forget sharing my screen. So if I did that, let me know. I always forget things. Okay, now, so this class is about big data and data analysis. Uh, I record my class. So if you want to see the recording, you can go to YouTube, okay, and check for Ono Center. The channel name is Ono Center. This is the channel name, and then you can click Ono Center. There are a lot of video. I think around 3,000 something. Oh,
13 menit.
okay, sorry, around 3,000 something video here. You can type something like this: President University S2 or something like that. So these are the recording of my class. Okay. If you want to see the Indonesian version, you can use AI, data science, and so on. So you can see the Indonesian version. Okay, but basically you can see the recording of my class here. So you can, if you miss the class, you can check the recording. Oh, by the way, I'm not normally take note of your presence, so I personally I don't care. But the campus maybe need that. So what I can suggest is I assume all of you will attend my class. That's it. Okay. So the recording is in my YouTube channel. You can freely check my YouTube channel. And the most important one is the quiz, the course itself. Please log in to this machine, opencourse.itts.ac.id. It's in the email, itts.ac.id, and then after that you can join the class. Let me see. Okay, this is the keyword actually, 2025 minus 2. So this is the keyword, 2025 minus 2. There is only one course in 2025 minus 2 in this one. So you can click big data and data analytics, data analysis, click this one. So this is part of the course, part of the materials. Actually, the actual materials is this one, quiz. So you can please do the quiz as many time as you like. No, what's that? No limitation. So you can do the quiz as many time as you like. You can do the quiz even tomorrow. Uh, Hopefully, if you have like, if you get like 90, 85, 90, you are fine. Okay. Most of the time, it takes about like what, five, five. You can try like after 5 times you tried, normally you will get something 85 or 90. So you basically pass my quiz. But the final mark, final grade, I have to combine the quiz mark with Professor Wiranto mark. So basically, there are two person teaching in this class, Professor Wiranto and me. So we basically combine the mark into one. So basically, we are averaging the mark between 2%. Okay. You can easily get good mark from me. Don't worry. As long as you like to do the exam as many times as you like, that's fine. The problem is, I just translate the quiz, the questions into English this morning. I use ChatGPT to translate the questions because most of the question is in Indonesian language. So many complaints because it's Indonesian language, so I translate to English. The problem is some of the for example, we have two different for example, if this is multiple choice questions, sometimes I have two different what term in Indonesians, but it has one term in English. So when it translate, basically I have same terms. So sometimes the I have I don't have any time to recheck the questions because it has like what 2,000, 3,000 questions in it. So I just use ChatGPT to translate and upload the questions in the this server. So that's the problem. So if you have that kind of problem, okay, I'm sorry. Just redo the quiz. That's it. The solution is simple. Redo. You can tell me about that, but then basically you can redo the quiz. That's it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Back again. So the actual quiz here is seems to be a very limited module, but actually the actual quiz, the actual class is actually, so this is the keyword, big data and data analysis. So you can select this one, copy, and you can look for other courses using the same name, like this one. So this one is not your course. So don't do the quiz here because the quiz is different. This is for public. The quiz is much simpler. Okay, so but the material is the same. The quiz is different. This one is much easier to do. So basically, this is the materials. Okay, the problem is it is mostly in Indonesian language, so you need to use Google Translate or ChatGPT to translate it into English. Okay, so basically, in this class, I will teach about big data a little bit. What is big data? The concept of data science, data set, and then we will play around with Orange. Okay, Orange is the simplest application to do some data analysis. To do some data analysis. One of the simplest application we can use is Orange. It's free. You are welcome to install. So you can search in Google, Orange data mining. See this one, download. So you can download the Orange. It has installer for Windows, Mac OS, and other platforms. Okay. So that's Orange. And then where is it? This one? Okay. So that's Orange. So I will teach about Orange, and then I will skip this one. I will not teach using R because it's more complicated than Orange. The problem is for more advanced data analysis, it's recommended using either R or Python. So I choose Python because maybe the other lecturer may also use Python, so I will choose Python here. So I will teach a little bit on Python. Of course, you can read the material on Pythons because the other lecturer will also use Python, so I skip many of it. But I will use Google Colab most of the time, and Google Colab is free using Google Colab. And using Google Colab, we can use TensorFlow, Keras. Keras is basically for make the programming much easier for TensorFlow programming. So Keras is much easier to do than the actual TensorFlow. Okay, so basically I will teach Orange. Orange is the important one because it's very easy. You can grab the what's that, the the ID behind data analysis using Orange is very easy. And then Python. Uh, and then the other one is large language model. I have a little bit of problem with LLM. I normally what's that? I normally do a demonstration how to do these things, LLM and so on. I may do some demonstration how to install, how to load the model and so on LLM. But to run an LLM seriously, I don't have the machine to do that. So I can do the installation and stuff like that, but not running the actual LLM. Okay. After that, I will also show you how to do process mining. Process mining, if you know the business process, in every organization we have business process like this. Okay, so we have, it's very similar to flowchart basically, but this is how the organization works. For this particular business process, I think, let me see, this is a request for trip. Okay, this is business process for requesting for travel or trip. So we have to pass this kind of process, and then we need to analyze this process. This is very important, especially for the Indonesian government when they want to do some efficiency in the organization. So we need to analyze the process within the organization. So the process mining, where is it? This one. Process mining is, the aim is to measure the efficiency of the business process in the organization. So that's basically what I'm going to teach. First, overview about big data. So this will be done after the Maghrib prayer. So, So I'm requesting we break during Maghrib prayer. So maybe between 6 to 6:30 or 6 to 6:20. I think that's okay, because I already had, I hope all of you had your enroll key. Oh, forgot the enroll key. Okay. Thank you. The enroll key. Okay, I have to type the enroll key in the chat box. Let me see if I can get into chat box. Let me see the. I forgot the enroll key myself. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the one, participants. Okay, enrollment method. Okay, self-enroll, already 142. Oh, sorry. Sorry, this is wrong class. That's why. This is a wrong class. Okay, let me see if I can. 225 minus 2. This is the actual class. Participants. Enrollment method. Okay. This is the self-enroll students. Enrollment key is PU 2025. So I will type this one. Enrollment key PU 2025. Okay. So I type in the chat box. Enrollment key is PU 2025. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this one. Enrollment key. Okay. Please enroll. Please do the exam as soon as possible. If you can finish your exam tomorrow, fine. You can leave my class. I don't care actually. But of course, you can always see my recording. in YouTube. Okay, I have to be honest here. Okay, the important ones is maybe you will be interested in this one. Let me see. Okay, orange. Oops, wrong. So to see the actual materials, the actual module, I suggest to check this one, big data and data analysis. So orange is important, but you can always skip if you like. It's very easy, so you can skip this one. The interesting one is maybe this one, LLM, because my computer is not strong enough, not powerful enough. I can only show how to install, but I cannot run the ChatGPT. The LLM basically ChatGPT, local ChatGPT. LLM is large language model. In this particular module, it will show you how to install the local LLM. Okay, so you may be interested in this one as well as this one. This two is not that difficult. It's quite easy, but not many people knows about this one. So most people, when we talk about data analysis, normally we go to Python. Python is good if you have lots of data, but sometimes if you don't have the what's that, the intuition, the on what we are looking for, sometimes we lose if we use Python directly. So basically for intuition, Orange is much better. It's easy and it's no need for programming knowledge and so on. Okay, so basically that's the one. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know by chatting. No, okay, okay, that's one. The other one, okay, the other one is books. I have lots of books of reference for you if you like. You can send disk to copy my books. I can show you the books. So I check my library. This is my library. You can I have AI folder, and this one, these are the books in my library in AI. Okay, so see this, all of them are PDF. You are welcome to copy. Just send the disks to me, email me. I can tell you the address and so on, so you can send the disk and then you can copy. If you are in Indonesia, if you are not in Indonesia, I'm in trouble because that's difficult. Sending things outside Indonesia is more difficult. So for those in Indonesia, you maybe makes easier, so you can send your disk and then I copy, give it back to you guys in Indonesia. So this is on AI. Some are 2020, this is 2024, 2023. Some are in 2025. Okay, that's artificial intelligence. There is another folder as well in, oops, sorry, data science. Okay, these are books on data. The previous one in artificial intelligence. This one is data science. Okay, basically not much different between these two, but the book is different. Okay, this book is more on data science and so on. Okay, also there is a folder on visualization. Visualization. These are the book on visualization. Okay, if you want to see example of this one, I can show you. var data library 2 books. These are my library. The total books is about 10 gigabyte. Oh, sorry, 10 terabyte. Sorry, not gigabyte. 10 terabyte. And I normally copy all this book to my students. Okay. Now, this one. But based on their needs. If they want to copy, fine. If they don't want to copy, they do not want to copy, fine, no problem. Let me see if I can check AI. Okay. Machine learning. So this book on machine learning, I click, let me see if I can find something to 2025. Okay, these are books on machine learning in 2025. I click this one, for example. Okay, so you are welcome to copy all of this. Okay, so these are the books. So hopefully it can be used for your reference and you learn something. Of course, my library is not limited to AI, machine learning, and so on because actually my real background is electrical engineering. So I'm not an IT guy. I'm electrical engineering. My PhD in microprocessor, basically making chip. So, but here in Indonesia it's difficult because we don't have any manufacturer in chip yet. So I have to move to other topics. Okay, so this is AI, computer vision, and so on. Okay, of course, the other topics that interest many of the Indonesians are cybersecurity. We have also cybersecurity here. Where is it? Cybersecurity. This is book on cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and so on, and many other books. Now, that's about books. If you want to see, so that's you need to send your disk. If you want to see, I also share my books in PDF. So I write books. Actually, I write around normally about one books per week. So these are my books in PDF. Takes about what 1 day for 100 pages book because when we write something we normally these days when we write something we use AI for helping us to write, but we need to interact very intensively with AI to write something like that. So this book is you can access this book. You can download for free. For example, I can show you something. This one. This one. These book are in Indonesian language. Sorry. So this in Indonesian language. This book is a handbook for AI implementation in AI, machine learning, big data implementation for small medium enterprises. Okay, so this actually derived from my class. I will not download. I will check my hard disk because that's about like what 100 megabyte, quite big. Okay, it's sorry wrong. PDF, 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 PDF. Where is PDF? This one. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the actual book. This is handbook, implementation handbook for AI, machine learning, and big data for small medium enterprises. Okay, let me see if I can show you a little more detail. So in this book, I teach how to do prediction. Okay, and we can how to analyze data, uh, how can we use AI for digital marketing, teach also about process mining, local chat GPT, and so on. Okay. Uh, it's not this book is not aiming for technical guy. This book is aiming for decision maker or middle management, not technical guy. Okay, so when you read this book, mostly stories basically, and conceptual framework, and then you can see okay, this is the example. This is not tech. This is a little bit technical. This is orange. See this? Let me see. So this one is orange. This one is orange. So lots of screenshot of orange. So you can learn orange by reading this book actually. Okay, or listening to my class. Okay, so that's about the book. Okay, my library. So all the library, you can download my books from this one. The URL is, I type it in the chat box, s.id/free o-ow ebooks. Okay, s.id/free -ow ebooks, and then you will see, where is it? This one. This is the one. Okay, so you can see all these things here. There are many books on AI from different angle. For example, AI for teacher, for school teachers, AI for the cybersecurity, because the national body of cybersecurity the other way invite me to give talk about how to secure AI. So I read books about how to secure the AI as well, but it's more, all of them is in Indonesian language. So you, for those who don't understand Indonesian, you need Google Translate to read these books. Okay, but if you want to have the English books, you can send this for the Indonesian students. But for the outside Indonesia, I'm in trouble because I think I will have problem sending things inside or outside Indonesia. Okay. Uh, let me see if there is any questions. No questions. Okay. Uh, so our class, we'll break little bit for like 20 minutes breaks, and then we'll back at 6:20, and then we will do our class until around close to 9 tonight. Okay, I hope it's okay. So see you in 20 minutes from now. Thank you very much.